Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Reddit mobile application. So first you go and open Reddit application and log into your account. After that make sure that you are here in the home page, and then as you can see here in the right bottom you will find your profile icon. It says you just click there, and here on the top right corner you will find the three lines. You just click here and you choose settings, the first option. Then you scroll down, and here as you can see you will find the section dark mode, and by default it will be following the operating system settings of your phone. You just click off, and then as you can see there is the dark mode. You just click on enable, and as you can see it turned to dark mode, and here you can customize the dark theme from night to midnight or something like this. As you can see, for example, the dark is changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.